桌球是什么东西呢？
Change of direction.
That is it. 11-7 in the first. Who's going to sign him up? That is extraordinary. How on earth he got 2-4?
You can see how far he went round to play that forehand. Look at the angle he got. And Dong didn't have a chance.
Again.
Yeah,
It's work. 10. Here we go. And that is gone. My goodness me. 11-8 in the foot. Him up. Oh, nice. Oh. Huge amount of attack on the ball. Oh! Oh! So his pride and his heart will certainly be there. There it is. We've got that backhand at last. And now... Got the service as well. Lin has taken the lead. He's got 4 love.
Taking that very early. Gives Jon less time. 5.
But we don't want him to try and pull back at all, do we?
Oh, there we see that.
Without the Eve. 10-8. Oh, 11-8. Unbelievable. Able to cope. Hand in front of me.
No, it's because I've got the mic in my right
There
hand.
you go, you see. But I tell you what, it's very exciting watching you.
5.
How they're only 2 away in the world rankings from each other, but I tell you what, they're a world away, and that is it in terms of ability. Yes, yes, yes. Excited. 2-5. Again, a piece of this competition. It's been brilliant, and that is again. Oh no! How? Oh,
beauty!
What? Oh, sensational! Yun-Ju, he will take the title. What? Wow. Everybody is just saying, how on earth do we miss this guy for so long? Thumbs up for Lin Yun-Ju. 3 love. Oh, yeah, yeah. It's like